Morning. Right, I'm going to take you through a dish, very Caribbean dish. A lot of time we use it for celebrations like weddings and parties and what have you. It's called Escovitch fish. What it means is fried fish, and it is got some fried onions and some fried vegetables in a reduction of vinegar and in a lot of cases pepper sauce. So I'll just take you through that. It's quite easy to make. So at the moment I'm just pan frying the fish. There you go. I'm pan frying the fish. And this fish here is snapper. For me, personally speaking, it's one of my favourite fishes. It's got a lot of flavour. But it also has a lot of bones. So ideally, it's not really good to give children. Unless you want to fillet it. It takes time. So, just pan frying that fish now. And then I'm going to prepare my julienne of vegetables. Now, sweet pepper and onion for the time being. Right, quick reminder of veg prep. I've got carrot here. So I'm just going to cut that. I'm going to cut this pepper here. Alright, so slice this onion. Hold on, just slicing the onion. No, gonna peel the onion, sorry. And then I've got my prep done. So there you go. So I've got my carrot, my onion, and my peppers. Right, now the peppers, I'm just going to cut them into thin strips all the way down. I want thin strips like that. The onion, I'll just make sure that I take away the root. And then I'll slice it down real quick. Julienne, like that. The carrot, I've cut it down. And then I'm going to make thin battens. And so I do that. All the way down to all the carrot. I've got thin strips. Yeah. Right. Once the fish is nicely fried, use the same pan to do the vegetables. Now when you're doing the vegetables, you're going to start cooking the hardest vegetable first. And the hardest vegetable first, in this case, turn this fire down, you probably take some splash, is the carrots. So we start with the carrots, like that. We'll give it a few minutes, or less than a minute. Then we'll add the peppers. So we're going to fry the carrots, then we're going to fry the peppers, then we're going to add a little bit of vinegar, add a bit of pepper sauce, and that is your Escovitch dressing. Now I'm going to add the peppers. Just put them in there. Let that cook off for about a minute, and then I'm going to add the onions. It's almost like a stir fry, almost. Right, now I'm going to add the onions. Give it just a little minute or so. Cook down, not too long. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that. Try to measure your ingredients. So this is maybe half a teaspoon or less. Just put a little bit of salt in there. You can see how much salt I've got on there. Not much. And I'll just sprinkle that. Let it cook down for a little bit. And then I'm going to add some malt vinegar to that. Maybe a dessert spoon of malt vinegar. Doesn't that a sea type flavour? And last of all, I add 2 teaspoons, because it's quite hot. Really too much, really only 1, but it's not going to kill. Of my hot pepper sauce, or any hot pepper sauce, or you can buy it in the shop. You can use Tabasco sauce, or if you choose not to have any pepper in there at all. But this is a traditional Jamaican way of cooking fried fish. Right, now the only thing left really is to plate it up. So I'll just show you how it is normally presented. If you go to a Jamaican banquet, like a wedding or something like that, or just cooking it at home. This is how it is normally presented. You've got your fish, and then you just take the vegetables, and you just place it over the fish. Like that. And that is Escovitch fish. You can serve it with hard food, you can actually serve it with rice, you can eat it with hardo bread, or even fried dumplings, which is another story altogether. Okay, see you later, bon appetit.